Welcome back to Couponing. Bye, Felicia. So today we are in Shoprite. It is the week of October 27th. It is the last week of October. So I have a nice little lineup for you guys today. I think it's a nice mix. I have a few items from almost every department. We have a few frozen items, health items. We have baking items. We have sugar on the list. We have pasta sauce. We have produce on the list. So it's a little nice mix. But I feel like I'm missing something today. It's story time. So normally I have, this is a keeping it real moment with you guys, but normally I have home delivery for my newspaper, and they are faithful. They come every Thursday, every Sunday, normally before 11 o'clock, and it normally switches up when I get a new delivery person for the area or something is going wrong with my account. So it's 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. I keep going to check the door to see if there's any newspapers there. There are no newspapers. So I'm like, okay, let me just give them a call. So no offense, I'm not knocking anyone. I don't know how people do it with the coupon fairy. I don't support coupon fairies because that's a whole nother story, but I need some accountability. So that's why I call my my local newspaper. That's how I get my newspapers delivered every Thursday and Sunday. I have 3 subscriptions delivered to me, but today I have not got my papers yet. So I left the house without any papers, and today's paper is especially important because it has Procter and Gamble. You can take a look at the video on how to organize coupons, and it will pop up here or pop up here. It'll tell you how to organize your coupons, and if you're just starting coupon, it's a great resource and video from where to get your coupons. So Procter and Gamble only comes out once a month, and it's normally the end of the previous month. So today is the day that we get our Procter and Gamble newspaper coupon inserts. So I'm missing out on that. Thank goodness. I think I had 2 inserts that surprisingly came in on Thursday. So I was super excited about that. So I have 2 of the October 27th, I think, Retail Me Not inserts, and that's it. So I'm in Shoprite right now, feeling a little empty naked without my current week's coupon, but I still make things happen for you guys. So even without those, we have an amazing list today. So I'm gonna get this coupon trip started, and I hope you guys have your pens, your pencils, your iPads, tablets, all of that stuff to take some great notes. If not anything, you can always do screenshots on your cell phone, whatever you need to help you coupon and save money. That's what we're all here for. Let's get the trip started. So the first item on the list is Quaker Oats instant oatmeal in the cups. They are 4 for $5 or $1.25 a cup. I'm going to go ahead and grab 3, 2 of my favorite cranberry and almond protein. I'm going to try the honey and almond today. I love the cranberry and almond. It has, of course, the almonds in it. It adds a nice little texture to it, and it's enough for breakfast. It's actually the first time I tried it, I was surprised that the cups are so small, but they're actually a nice size, and I pair it along with my coffee, of course. So the total for these 3 is going to be $3.75. We're going to pay $3.75 out of pocket, but there is a Saving Star rebate for $2 rebate back to you. So that's going to be a net cost of $1.75 for 3 instant cups of oatmeal, and I'm going to go ahead and grab my 3. All right, Domino Golden Sugar. The 3.5 bag is $2.29. I'm going to pick up 3 bags, yes, 3 bags of Domino Golden Sugar at $2.29. So the total for the 3 with no coupons would be $6.87. But because I have 3 coupons from the September 8th Smart Source, remember, coupons at Shoprite double up to $1. So my 75 cents is going to double. So 1 coupon is going to be worth $1.50 off. And I have 3, like I mentioned earlier before, I normally get 3 newspapers delivered to me. So those 3 applied to the $6.87 is going to take off $4.50. So I'm going to walk out paying $2.37 out of pocket for these 3 bags of sugar. Don't judge me. Whatever I do with the sugar is my business. No, I'll take like a bag to work, a bag at the house, either give a bag to the family or just have something left over for later on. But that's an awesome deal for 3 bags of sugar, less than $1 each per bag. The next item on the list is Vero Gusto by Barilla. That's another pasta sauce, basically. So if you see, the normal price is $6.99, but it is on sale for $3.99. They have 2 other varieties here, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this. I love garlic. I had to read what the blends included, so anything with garlic is fine by me. So I do have a coupon from the September 8th Retail Me Not, so that's gonna take $1 off. So we're gonna walk out paying $2.99. We're going to walk out paying $2.99. But if you're familiar with the ShopKicks app, there is an option for you to scan it to get 25 points. And then if you purchase it, there is another option for 200 kicks. So 250 kicks are normally about $1. So I estimated this as a rebate of 90 cents. So with that being said, that would take us down to a net cost of $2.09. But wait, there's more. There's also an Ibotta rebate available for $2 off of the 20 ounce. And I had to make sure and confirm this is the 20 ounce jar. So that's going to be a net cost of 9 cents for this original cost of $5.99. So net cost of 9 cents. So I'm going to grab this definitely for a net cost of 9 cents. All right, next we have pasta or rice-a-rani. It is $1 per box, and I still find it surprising that the pasta-rani and rice-a-rani are in separate aisles. So for the sake of time, I went to the other aisle, went to go grab 2 and came back. So that would be a total out of pocket of $4 without any coupons for a meal or a side. I think that's still good regardless, but I have a coupon. So there is a coupon from the September 22nd Smart Source for $1 off of 4 boxes of rice-a-rani or pasta-rani. So that's gonna be $3 out of pocket for 4 boxes of rice-a-rani or pasta-rani. You can mix it up however you want to. You get 4 of the same one, 4 rice, 4 pasta, 1, 3, 3, 1, whatever works for you. But I'm gonna pick up these 4 here for a total out-of-pocket cost of $3. Next, we have Cole's on the list. It is on sale for $2.99, and on their website, Coles.com, the link is in the description box below, you can find a $2 off printable. So this is an IP internet printable, $2 off any Cole's product. So I'm going to use that. It is going to be 99 cents out of pocket. So we're going to pay 99 cents out of pocket for the collays. Wait, there's more. There's also an Ibotta rebate for $2 back. So this is going to be a moneymaker of $1.01. So you're going to walk out paying 99 cents after this coupon is applied. And then you're going to get the rebate from Ibotta. Make sure you select it in the Ibotta app for collays, $2. And it's going to be a moneymaker of $1.01. Isn't that awesome? So I absolutely love my clear lip gloss, but today Shoprite is hooking us up with a digital coupon. So the next item on the list is Nivea lip care is on sale for $2. So anyone that has this $2 marker, you can go ahead and pick up 2 of them, because that's going to be a total cost of $4 if you didn't have any coupons. But there is a Shoprite digital coupon for $3 off. So we're going to walk out paying $1 out of pocket for 2 Nivea lip care. I actually purchased this one last year, and it does have a nice hint of red to it, so that's super cute. So I'm assuming that this has a nice hint of pink to it. I don't know. I'll go ahead and try the milk and honey, and I'm going to go ahead. I like something with a little menthol to it. Sunscreen, moisture. This might possibly be it, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick up these 2. So that's gonna be $1 out of pocket for these 2. Yes! I almost had to break my neck to try to get this one. So I saw on the Shoprite app that they had a few varieties of these cold E's, and of course I want the one with honey, and this is back here. So the Cold Ease 18 count is on sale for $3.27, and we have a wonderful coupon from the October 27th Retail Me Not for $3 off. So that's going to be a total out-of-pocket cost of 27 cents. I'm going to get the 18 count, but they do have other varieties, and one all the way back there that has a 12 count. So whatever works for you, but I'm going to go ahead and grab this 18 count honey. So I guess all the cold and flu season stuff is on sale. So Luden's is on sale for 75 cents a pack. They have a coupon on their website for 75 cents off of 2. So you know in ShopRite coupons double. So one bag is 75 cents. With this coupon doubling, it's going to be $1.50. So we're going to get 2 bags of Luden cough drops for $0 out of pocket. $0. So I'm going to pick up 2. The best deal I saw here, normally most of the 75-cent ones are going for the 25 count. This one has a bonus count. It's 20% more. It has 36 in it. I read the tag for the 36 count at 75 cents. So we're going to go ahead and get 36 count. I'm going to grab that one bag. And then they have a variety of other interesting flavors. They have watermelon. They have honey licorice and strawberry banana. Odd. And then also for those that need to have lower sugar, there's a sugar-free wild cherry. But I'm gonna just try the watermelon for my second bag. And once again, that's 2 bags of Luden's cough drops for $0 out of pocket. Printing the coupon from their website, which is 75 cents off. You can find the link for the website in the description box below. I wish there was a better amount left, But I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 3 sweet potatoes / yams. They are 99 cents a pound. I scoped out 3 that I could kinda work with, I guess, because I really like my sweet potatoes. Just pop them in the oven for about a half an hour to an hour. No, actually, yeah, 45 minutes to an hour. And it's a nice little side. And I guess I'll try that. Let's go weigh these and see how much they weigh. At the scale, it is definitely zeroed out. I'm gonna put my yams in here evenly, or somewhat evenly. That's not even. Okay, now I think that's even. That will work. So I'm less than 3 pounds, so 2.5, a little more. Yeah, not 3 pounds, so that's good. Lysol wipes are on sale this week for $1.98. So we're gonna go ahead and grab 2 because there is a coupon in the October 13th Smart Source for 50 cents off, and we know that coupons at Shoprite double, so that's going to be $1 off per coupon. The limit is a limit of 2 per coupon. I happen to like this one. The dual action has a one side where it's scratches the surface if there's any residue or anything, and the other side is a smooth side, so I really like that. $1.99 for each of them. So without any coupons, that would be $3.98. With these 2 coupons, it's going to take off $2. So our out-of-pocket cost is going to be $1.98 for 2 Lysol wipes. All right, so Bird's Eye Steam Fresh is on sale for $4. So that's basically $1 a bag, and they have a large variety of available items. So I went ahead and grabbed 4. There is no coupons, but like I said, it's an awesome deal to pair along with dinner, the main course, and other things as well. Even if you just want to eat it by itself, that's up to you. But 4 for $4, $1 a bag is awesome. So we're gonna walk out paying $4, and like I said, there are no coupons. Or Ida French fries are on sale for 99 cents. I'm gonna go ahead and grab 1 box of the extra crispy golden fries here. We're gonna pay 99 cents out of pocket, but there is a rebate on Saving Star for $1 back. So this is going to be a moneymaker of 1 cent. All right now. Purdue shortcuts are on sale for $2.99. I'm going to pick up just 1 bag at the $2.99. I have a coupon from the October 6th Retail Me Not for 75 cents off, so that's going to double, with that being $1.50 off. We're gonna walk out of the store paying $1.49 for 1 bag of Purdue shortcuts, and that's a net cost as well. So the total out of pocket is going to be $1.49. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this grilled one here and give it a try. So, as I usually say, grab a quiet owl or a quiet corner where you can go over all of your apps to make sure you scan for Ibotta to see if things qualify. Today I'm using Shopkicks for the Vero Gusto pasta sauce. Don't forget to scan your items for Shopkick, because I almost forgot to scan it for Shopkicks. Checkout 51 if the items are available. Checkout 51 is here or there all the time, because sometimes the items are available, sometimes they're not. Once it's advertised and once we start talking about it, then the items in checkout 51 just disappeared. So I'm glad they at least say nowadays 0 items are remaining or 0 rebates are available for Shopkicks. Before, they didn't used to do that. So on today's shopping trip, there are 2 rebates from Ibotta, and I need to scan the collates to make sure it qualifies. Saving Star, there are 2 rebates in Saving Star and 1 rebate for Shopkicks. Any other items is pertaining to your household, your cart, what you have in your cart and you're shopping for today. There's also My Points, where you can get points for printing out your coupons. Whatever you need, any information is in the description box below. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you have other deals, please post and list those in the comments below, because I will pin it to the top so other people can see them as well. And just thank you to all the new subscribers for coming in. Welcome to couponing. Bye, Felicia. And that's it for this shopping trip. Until next time, bye. Here's a recap of everything. I'm feeling good about this shopping trip. Ooh.
Card scan. $1 savings. $1 savings. $1.62 savings. $1 savings. 19 cents savings. 19 cents savings. 20 cents savings. $3. Please wait cents savings. 84 cents savings. 84 cents savings. $2 savings. $3 savings. 75 cents 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 savings. Please scan your coupons. $1 savings. Please insert your coupon. Please scan your coupons. $1 savings. Please insert your coupon. Please scan your coupons.
Thank you. Ran up a great flight and took one off. Thank you.
That one didn't go through. Oh, this one.
$3 savings. Please insert your coupon.
I want you to start.
Please scan your coupon.
That one didn't go through.
50 cents savings. Please insert your coupon. 50 cents savings. Please scan your coupon. 50 cents savings. 50 cents savings. Please scan your coupon. 75 cents savings. Please insert your coupon. 75 cents savings.
I'm gonna try it again.
Your coupon.
I'm gonna try it again. This is what I have to do to get it to work. I have to grab the scanner and aim. And once I get a green dot, we're good. If we don't,
$2
there we go.
Please insert your coupon.
Everything went through.